Welcome to the next module of the New Student Advising online workshop. This module will talk about MyUH, your student portal. Open a web browser and type myuh.hawaii.edu into your address bar. Once the page is loaded, be sure to bookmark it or even make it your homepage. MyUH is a customizable dashboard for all of the most important university online tools, but you can't customize your dashboard unless you log in first. Once you've logged in, you can favorite tools by clicking on the heart icon that corresponds to each one. We recommend favoriting UH Gmail, the official form of university communication, STAR, which we'll talk about in a future module, Lalima, your official learning management system for all of your Manoa courses, your financial aid information, tax forms, and so much more. All tiles that are specific to Manoa are in a dark green color. Take a few minutes to browse around and favorite the pages that you know you'll need. You can always unfavorite them later if it turns out that you don't. Then tell us which tiles you chose to favorite in Canvas. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the rest of our modules and helpful content by clicking the link in the video description or by visiting our website at manoa.hawaii.edu/undergrad/new-student-advising/online. If you have questions along the way, we're here for you. Contact new.advising@hawaii.edu.